Discover luxury living in Ethiopia. Stunning B+G+2 house tour. Welcome to a masterpiece of luxury and comfort, located in one of Ethiopia's most prestigious neighborhoods. The basement of this luxurious B+G+2 house includes a fully equipped gym, a maid's room, 2 service quarters, and a state-of-the-art sauna and bath for ultimate relaxation. Show the open kitchen with natural light streaming in. On the ground floor, you'll find a spacious open kitchen with ample natural light. A large and inviting living room. Highlight the additional bedroom and bathroom, as well as an additional bedroom with its own bathroom. The first floor features a master bedroom with high-quality finishes and plenty of natural light. Highlight the additional bedroom and another beautifully designed bedroom. The top floor offers a stylish and elegant cozy living room. Transition to the bedroom and bathroom, a bedroom and a bathroom. Show the 2 terraces with stunning views, and 2 terraces that provide stunning views of the surrounding area. This exceptional property, priced at 67 million ETB negotiable, offers unparalleled natural light throughout and is located in a neighborhood with similar luxurious properties. For more options and details, contact us at 0931 511 111. End with a final exterior shot of the house.